Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirsten and this is Small Bobbins. So today I've got another quick tutorial for you, and this is how to make adjustable bra straps. So here I've just got a piece of 12mm black satin strap elastic. It's the same stuff that I carry in my shop in several different colors and sizes. I'm just going to be making an example one. I've got my sliders over here as well. And do keep in mind you do want a slider that fits the same size as your strap elastic. That's how you'll ensure that the strap will actually work if you want to adjust the size of it. If it's too big, then it will slide around. It won't actually hold the size that you're adjusting it to. And if it's too small, then you won't even be able to get the elastic in there in the first place. So you'll probably be able to see there is a shiny side to the elastic. And then the other side is plush on the back. That one's going to be a bit tougher to see, but doesn't have that same shine when I kind of twist it around. And we're going to be starting with that plush side facing up towards us. Now we're going to call this the wrong side. This is the side that's going to sit against your skin because it's soft. That's the one that you want there. And so I'll take that and I'm going to thread this through the top of the slider and then on down through the other one. And so that's what I've got now. Now we've got the shiny side facing up at us here, and I'm just gonna stitch kind of as close as I can to the slider. You obviously don't want to really slam into it. I'm just going to use a straight stitch. Sometimes I do like to use a bar tack as well, but just for the sake of speed, I'm just going to use a single straight stitch here. And so we've got our first stitch here, and I'm going to keep that up here at the top. The wrong side of the elastic is still facing up at me, so this is the plush side. There's no shiny stuff here. I'm going to take this bottom part of the strap, and if you're using a ring, this is where you thread it on. Take the bottom tail and go through the ring and then go through your slider again. So first on that bottom part and then again through the top. This might be a bit fiddly because you're kind of adding a second layer of elastic, but if you have the correctly sized slider, you should be able to stuff it through. And then that's it, really. So now you have an adjustable strap. You can always attach this to your bra or bralette. And then, this part can either be looped around a ring or maybe just sewn directly to a band. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're interested in making your own lingerie, be sure to check out my online store for lingerie supplies at smallbobbins.com. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!